The idea that businesses have an obligation to foster social betterment has been a much debated topic over the last 50 years. The notion that corporate executives should balance the interest of all stakeholders, all communities in which they operate, and society at large began to blossom in the 1960s. Social responsibility refers to a company's duty to operate in an honorable manner, provide good working conditions for employees, encourage workforce diversity, be a good steward of the environment, and actively work to better the quality of life in the local communities in which it operates and society at large. The essence of socially responsible business behavior is that a company should balance strategic actions to benefit shareholders against the duty to be a good corporate citizen. The underlying thesis that a company managers should display a social conscience in operating the business and specifically consider how management decisions and company actions affect the well-being of employees, local communities, the environment, and society at large. Corporate social responsibility programs involve the following: efforts to employ an ethical strategy and observe ethical principles in operating the business. A sincere commitment to observing ethical principles is a necessary component of a social responsibility strategy simply because unethical conduct is incompatible with the concept of good corporate citizenship and socially responsible business behavior. Making a difference through charitable contributions, supporting community service endeavors, and reaching out to make a difference in the lives of the disadvantaged. Some companies fulfill these obligations by spreading their efforts over a multitude of charitable and community activities. Actions to protect the environment, and in particular to minimize or eliminate any adverse impact on the environment stemming from the company's own business activities. Social responsibility as it applies to environmental protection entails striving to be good stewards of the environment. Actions to create a work environment that enhances the quality of life for employees. Socially responsible companies exert extra effort to enhance the quality of life for employees both at work and at home. Actions to build a workforce that is diverse with respect to gender, race, national origin, and other aspects that different people bring to the workplace. Most large companies in the United States have established workforce diversity programs, and some go the extra mile to ensure that their workplaces are attractive to ethnic minorities and inclusive of all groups and perspectives. A company's social responsibility strategy is defined by the specific combination of socially beneficial activities it opts to support with its contributions of time, money, and other resources. Sustainable business practices are those that meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability to meet the needs of the future. Environmental sustainability involves deliberate actions to protect the environment, provide for the longevity of natural resources, maintain ecological support systems for future generations, and guard against the ultimate endangerment of the planet. Companies that take social responsibility seriously can improve their business reputations and operational efficiency while also reducing their risk exposure and encouraging loyalty and innovation.